Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start now, charge the phone to at least 50%, and remove any SD or USB accessories so nothing interferes. Hold the device's power and volume combination that matches your model to boot into recovery. This is different per manufacturer, so use the correct keys. Once in recovery, you'll see a simple menu. You need that to perform a factory reset safely. Make sure to note the Google account used before proceeding, because Android's protection will ask for it after the reset. Once in recovery, use the volume keys to move and the power button to select. This lets you choose wipe data/factory reset. You're doing this because the lock can't be bypassed without changing system data. This erases user files and settings. Confirm the reset when prompted. The process takes a few minutes. After completion, select Reboot System now so the phone restarts clean. Make sure you understand this deletes local data, so expect to restore from backup if available. You'll complete setup after reboot, but note, factory reset protection may require the original Google account. This prevents unauthorized reuse. If you can't remember the credentials, try recovering the Google account first. Use account recovery options on another device. If FRP still blocks you, contact the phone maker or authorized service for proof of ownership assistance. One key troubleshooting tip: if recovery menu won't open, try a different key timing and ensure the battery is charged. Hardware combos vary, so retry carefully before seeking help.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.